Trolling as Petey the cat, part 3, I think.
We got
I lost count.
Iron Man, and Purple Cat.
What do you mean Purple Cat? I'm Petey! I'm Petey, man! You know, I should really start making a new impression for Petey. It's just like my real voice for him.
Dogman Cat.
Yeah, this is more better.
This is my brother.
But why do you
Nick!
dreams right now, bro?
Tonight's gonna
We
be
exploring!
a good night. And tonight's gonna be a good night. And tonight's gonna be a good night.
I
I'm about to tickle you.
No, please. Now I'm a minor.
Sally, calm down.
Oh, it's starting to get a bit spooky up in here. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck! They make out.
Shut up, my son!
No one cares.
No one cares! No!
I was the OG.
Stupid Nick!
Whoa!
let's
Don't
go.
say
No, I'm better.
the N-word. It's very racist.
The N-word?
Shut up, Nick!
Hey, Goob.
House.
Do I have to
Don't
fit in with
reproduce.
the humans? Sorry.
Don't you dare reproduce. I don't want more of these ugly things.
I have to fit
You call-
in with y'all.
Avatar.
Nah, you don't even fit in at all.
We taking them down! Why is it called takedown question mark? Like, I have a suit on, baby!
Oh my god, Trimple, you scared the shit out of me, oh my god.
Oh,
I got
what's
my
this?
stylized form.
Oh my god. Oh shit!
Oh wait, is that fire? I want it. Give
I
me.
want it. I want it.
No, it's mine!
Nick. Oh, a photo. It's raining inside. I'm starting to get kind of scared here. It's very spooky. Can we put it back to the daytime?
I peed my pants.
I'm trying to. I think about peeing my pants if we do this.
Pimpo, should we turn the others into one of us?
Yeah, but like,
No.
can we turn on Wendigo? If we have more, since we have more people.
Here, who wants Goop? Whoever gets Goop first, get him.
Bro, I'm trying to troll ass Petey the cat over here, and there would be some like strange things.
Whoever can clone Goop first will be Goop. And the last put. Okay, then you're good. That means he's dandy. Hey, you're dandy. You're dandy.
Nah, I'm Petey. What you talking about, boy? Man. Ah, finally, it's daytime. Man, daytime.
No, get over here and
No,
clone
no,
Shelly.
please. No, please. I'm trying to make a trolling video here. Hey, leave me alone.
Bite him! Bite him!
Bite him! No, this is it.